Hi guys, welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Matilda and today we are unboxing the 3D printer.
So as Matilda said, we've got a brand new 3D printer. This is the Flashforge Adventurer 3 Pro. It's a slightly older model, but it's our first 3D printer that we've bought. So we've kind of gone in a slightly lower model. You can get the 4 and I think the 5 has just come out as well. But this is the 3 Pro, so it's a bit of an increased spec compared to the 3. So in this video, we're going to do a really quick unboxing, see what we get inside the box, kind of get it set up as best we can, and then we may do our first test printing it. So first of all, we'll get inside the box and see what you get inside. Okay, so we're down on the floor, we're going to open it up here and show you what you get inside the box. Watch out, Matilda. Fingers. Whoa. Okay, so instructions. Power cable. Some filament to come with it. And an accessory kit.
Oh, this is the one.
You ready?
I've seen this one on YouTube.
Anything else, Matilda?
Nope.
So there we go. That's the 3D printer inside of there. What we'll do now is we'll bring back the desk, put it on the desk, and kind of get some close-ups of what you get. Okay, so go out of the box onto the desk. Matilda's going to take all the plastic wrap off now. So it looks really well protected. Go for it, Matilda. Really well protected.
Oh.
Okay, so it's out of the box, all the cellophane's off it, all the plastic's off it. You can see at the moment there's some cardboard still inside it. So what we need to do, I've just read the instructions, we need to power it on and we need to move the extruder up and we can take the cardboard that's inside there out of there. The cardboard's in there just to keep it nice and protected during transit by the looks of it. But yeah, so what we'll do, Matilda's got the power cable there. Matilda's going to plug it in on the side. Got it? Okay, is there a power switch next to it?
Yep.
So flick the power switch on. Okay, and let's open the front door. Like that. So Matilda, is the screen on the front?
Yep.
Okay, so is there one that says tools on the screen? Oh, it's just loading at the moment, so we'll just give it a minute and then what we're gonna do. Oh. Scared me, scare you. Okay, so Matilda's gonna do as much of this as possible. See if we can get Matilda to do it.
Before using the first time, please calibrate the extruder first.
Okay, so just press OK.
What is it doing?
Right, so it's going up now, so what we'll do when we can, we'll slide this out.
It's stuck.
Oops.
I got it.
There we go.
Oh, wow.
So it said there, before first use you need to calibrate it, so at the moment it's just pre-adjusting it says. So at least everything's moving as it should be inside, which is great, so we'll just shut that door for a second.
Oh.
Okay, so everything's moving, which is great, which is good to see. See the bottom bed moving. Okay, one of the reasons why I went for this one, obviously the price point. So that the money wise, we'll put a link in the description to Amazon. It does go up and down the price. So from a money perspective, we came in at kind of a starter machine. The Adventurer 3 Pro has been out for a couple of years now, 2 or 3 years maybe. So it's got some good support on the internet for it. And also it's a well-known 3D printer. So we thought we'd come in with a device that we can get plenty of support with, because we are beginners in 3D printing, aren't we, Matilda? So we are beginners and need all the help we can get. So we've gone with hopefully what will be a starter 3D printer.
Click the arrow to adjust the nozzle so that it just touches the platform.
So me and Matilda are going to go through the calibration steps now. So it's telling us to move it up and down and just get things right. So what we'll do is we won't show this on camera. We'll just get that done really quickly and let you know how long that takes. Okay, Matilda's customised it already. Look, we've got a Huson DIY sticker on there now. So we've done the height adjustment of the extruder head, so that's calibrated it now to know where it's level. Really easy to do. I just use a really thin piece of paper just to slide under. When it hit the paper, went down one more. So it's just touching the bed on each of the points. Really easy to do. And next we're going to do our first print. So it talks you through in the instructions on how to set it up. So we need the filament. We're going to put the filament in and do that. So, Matilda, take the door off.
I noticed it's at the start.
Okay, I'm going to take that off from the inside of this filament. And then we're going to get it this way. And it says, so we're going to put it into there, into the side of here. Do you want to do it, Matilda?
Yeah.
So push it until you can feel it grab it. Okay, keep pushing. Right, let go. Right, so it's got it now. So we'll put that in there, like that. So we've got it into the side now. And Matilda is going to go to the front of the screen. So you come round this way, Matilda. Round this way, Matilda. Round this way. So on the screen, Matilda, you're going to press on filament, load.
Okay. Heating.
Heating extruder. So the extruder is now heating up. So it does say loading starts when the extruder heated to the target temperature. So it's going up to 240. So it's going up quite fast. So once we've done this, we should be able to push the filament in and it should feed it in, hopefully. Fingers crossed, Matilda.
Can I do the feeding?
Well, no, let's just get this going first one, and you can press the buttons on the front to do the first print. Okay, what we got now?
What should we print?
We've got to choose a test one, haven't we, on the screen. It'll tell us on the screen what we can print.
Oh, yay.
Right, so we're nearly there. 228, 230, nearly there. Okay, begin loading. So I'm going to push that in. Oh, yeah, it's grabbed it now. It's grabbed it, and it's turning the wheel. So the wheel is turning.
Let me see.
So I'll put this door back on, like so.
I don't see anything yet.
Don't worry about it, Matilda. So it says it's complete when you see it coming out of the extruder. So keep an eye on the end of that nozzle there.
Nozzle.
So it says press OK when new colour appears. So when we see it coming out of the end of there, we can press OK on there.
Like out of the...
Out, do you know, see the black thing at the end, the little silver nozzle? When it comes out of there, you can press OK on the screen. Is it coming out yet, Tilda?
No.
You're going to press OK when it is though, yeah? Get ready to press it.
Ready. Yeah, ready. So?
It's not coming out yet. When it comes out of the end of that
Oh,
nozzle.
Yeah.
There we go. Press it quick. Press OK. You pressed it?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is coming out?
Yeah, don't worry about it. Don't worry about that. So now we go into the build section of this. So Tilda, can you press on build on the screen?
There's no build.
Okay, let's go back and go to build there. Okay, click on the top one. And then we've got a box. So click on the box, is there a little arrow? Click on the little arrow.
Should be going.
Okay, so now locate the file, click on the right. Okay, so I think that's it, Matilda.
It starts.
Yeah. Let's just knock. Get rid of that. So hopefully now it should start doing the print. Hopefully. We've followed the instructions exactly. So let's see what happens. We'll leave it for a few minutes and we'll see how long it takes. So it does say on the instructions here it should be a 10-minute print. So we'll see how long it takes. Did it say that there as well?
I don't know.
Oh, waiting for it to heat up. Okay, so it's printing now. It just took a few minutes just to warm up. So it says on the screen, how long does it say it's going to take, Matilda?
13 minutes.
13 minutes, excellent. So we'll give it 13 minutes to do that. Is it working on the bed?
Yeah.
Can you see it working?
Uh-huh.
Is it sticking?
Uh-huh.
So what I'll do is I'll bring in this camera close up and we'll do like a time lapse of it doing it, yeah? So we'll stop the recording and do a time lapse. Okay, it's all finished building now, so that printing, sorry, that took about 10-11 minutes to do that one. It said 12 and I think it was just under 12 minutes, about 11 minutes. So in the instructions, because we've got the Adventurer Pro 3, the plate isn't removable, you've got to scrape it from the plate in there. So Matilda's going to open the door now and she's going to scrape the little box out and we'll have a close look at it.
I'm going to do it with this because we don't know if it's hot or not.
So carefully underneath that. Oh, turn it over. That way. That's it, go on.
It's going to burn.
It's not. Okay. There you go. Let me feel it.
Is it hot?
No, it's cooled down now. You're alright. Okay, so we'll shut that door. What do you think, Tilda?
It's cool.
Yeah, hold it up to camera. Shut camera. Up there, look. So we've got the plate on the bottom which should break off. And then you're left with the square.
Whoa. Imagine if like little holes so it could be Lego bricks.
Well, you can make Lego. We can make Lego potentially. So there we go. Really quick square. So we'll just jump down. We'll just clear up, and we'll do kind of a final summary of what we told her of what we think. Okay, so we're all done now. All finished on that first print. So we've unboxed it, got it set up, got the bed level with that. I think it was a 9-point leveling, which was really easy to do. Really simple. Doesn't come with auto bed leveling, so it doesn't auto do itself. But it's really simple to do. I think you probably just need to do that every now and again just to make sure things are level. We've got our first ever print, which is this cool little brick or this little box, which printed really well. It's really smooth on all sides, including the bottom, which is really good. So really impressed overall. Do you like it, Matilda?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really cool, isn't it? So we've got a few more things to test out. Obviously, we'll do some more prints in there. There is a camera in there which you can check remotely. So we need to set this up onto the Wi-Fi, get it connected, things like that. So in the next video, we'll cover off the extra settings, more Wi-Fi, the connecting to the Wi-Fi for the camera, and to be able to send prints to it. And then we'll do some more test prints as well. But that's all done now for this video. Anything else from you, Matilda?
Please like and subscribe.